To enhance your experience with Elden Ring and ensure a smooth installation process, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your installation. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Elden Ring. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. Step 2. Update your operating system. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Install any pending updates to ensure compatibility and improve performance during installation. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are installing through a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This can fix corrupted files that may cause installation issues. Step 4. Disable antivirus software. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that might interfere with the installation process. Sometimes security programs can mistakenly block game files. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the installation loop persists, consider uninstalling the game completely and then reinstalling it. This can resolve any lingering issues from previous installation attempts. Following these steps should help you successfully install Elden Ring without encountering loops. Enjoy your gaming experience.